His messenger saying could not send the message again. Don't worry, this video will show you simple working fixes to get your messages sending again in minutes. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWash. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Open a browser to your choice. Search Internet Speed Test. Try loading a website to confirm your connection is stable. If your internet is weak, then swipe down from top, turn on aeroplane mode for 10 seconds, then off. Then go to settings, scroll down and tap apps. Search for Messenger. Tap for stop. Go to storage. Tap clear cache. Then go to Play Store and search Messenger. If you have update, then update it. Restart your phone and come to Messenger application. Make sure you are not blocked. The chat cannot replicate it. Also check message request. Sometimes replies fail there. If nothing works, uninstall Messenger, restart your device and reinstall it. This solves most stubborn errors. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.